Now there's a lot of talk about Arduino and some of these other low-cost training micros these days, and here's one that I thought was should be brought up and looked at. This is the EZ430F 2013 from TI, and it consists of, if I can get this apart, it's a USB stick with the programming interface on the front part, and this little detachable board here is the actual processor, and you have I/O. All the I/O pins are available. As you can put a 1/10" header on here. So this whole thing is $20, so it's roughly half the price of a Arduino. It can't do nearly as much, obviously, but for a lot of what you're wanting to do, this is perfect. Perfect size, perfect, under $20 for the whole thing, including the programmer. All I did was use one of the demos so far, the Blink demo, and a little breadboard, some Radio Shack magic, and this board is just set up to blink a couple LEDs, and I've got a couple inputs. I've got a switch input and a infrared receiver that I'm gonna write a little routine to play with here shortly to make the LEDs do something different. For a lot of our projects, this is all you really need, or this might be a slightly smaller processor, but the next one up, or something in the family. Yeah. Anyway, $20 for one of these. And I'm working my way up towards this kit. The whole reason I'm doing this is just to get myself more familiar with the tools so that I can upgrade to this. And this is opposite end of the spectrum. This kit was $150, and it's an ARM Cortex M4. It's the Stellaris LM4F232. It's got a neat little demo with accelerometers and temperature sensor and 20-volt analog inputs, micro SD slot, USB on the go, USB in-circuit debugging, JTAG interface, a series of buttons, and this is all demo that you can download and run. User LED. So I'm going to go to the project here and just pick another one like the sine wave demo. Then show how easy it is to take one of these demos once you've imported it into the Code Composer Studio, or they offer this kit with 4 different compiler options, all still demo compilers. They're not the full one that you can use to make a production product with, but there, done. Now I'm running the sine wave demo. Or we can pick another one. Go back to the. Oh, here we go, Blinky. Let's try Blinky. I'm betting that blinks something. Probably that LED. Yep. Blinky blinky. Nothing over here. But anyway, there's a ton of demos on the CD or available for download. USB host mouse, USB stick demo. Comes with a USB thumb drive, for. You can put your bootloader on it. You can put a watch battery on here to power it, keep memory, whatnot. So, yeah, like I said, the opposite end of the spectrum here, you've got an ARM processor you're playing with. This is the same exact kit that's in one of the TI also has a robotics kit. It's a round circuit board with basically this exact same thing made for robotics. I think it has some motor drivers on it. So, anyway, there you go.